winter maintenance starts here, at the cutting edge. It may look like a simple strip of steel, but your cutting edge is a strategic choice. The wrong decision can cost your agency time, money, and even compromise safety. But what if you could cut costs and reduce the amount of downtime your trucks spend in the shop? A new guide for Minnesota Public Works agencies shows how. The Local Road Research Board has developed a practical guide to help Minnesota's cities and counties make strategic decisions. Smart Selection of Cutting Edges, a practical guide for Minnesota cities and counties, covers cutting-edge material options, procurement guidance, and best practices for snowplow operators. It's based on the real-world experience of public works professionals in places like Nicollet County, where switching to a different cutting-edge extended service life from weeks to years, delivering long-term savings despite a higher upfront cost.
At Nicollet County, 10 years ago, we used to use these old cutting edges, and what we were noticing with the two cutting edges here, we were getting about 3 weeks tops in severe storm situations in the January, February months. The new ones, within the first 2 years, we were seeing 1.5 to 2 years on front plows, and from there, we went to the underbodies with the same size, and we were getting anywhere from 1.5 to 2 years again.
The LRRB's guide helps take the guesswork out of material choice, providing a breakdown of the pros, cons, initial cost, and life cycle cost for common edge materials. It also provides guidance on procurement and highlights commonly used vendors and material types among Minnesota cities and counties. Finally, the guide explores how operator technique impacts the life cycle of cutting edges, and how to create an implementation plan to improve your agency's cost effectiveness. Stop treating cutting edges as a routine purchase. Start treating them as what they are, a critical investment in safety and efficiency. Find out what gives your agency the edge. Download Smart Selection of Cutting Edges today at lrrb.org or follow the link in the description. Better safety, less downtime, smarter decisions.